Sharon. I've been a nurse since 1988, and the reason why I picked up nursing was because I've seen many of my uncles and aunties having cancer, and even my mother was diagnosed with cancer way back in '88. So that's why I thought I should go into nursing to see what how people are, how I can help, I can contribute to all these cancer patients. I've been working at SGH for almost 13 and a half years before I decided to retire, to stay home to take care of my cancer, my mom who was suffering from cancer, and take care of my 2 boys. And ever since then, I've always remembered all these sometimes tearful moments, sometimes rewarding moments, and mostly very memorable times. These photographs were of me when I was in an operating theatre in SGH. And this is when I was scrubbing up as a scrub nurse to take a case. And this is another picture of me scrubbing up at the theatre. And this is when I was preparing for a major open heart surgery. And this is another picture. These are just a few little pictures I have of my experience at the theatre, and I will never forget what I did there and how much I think I could contribute to nursing over at SGH. And to me, it was a very invaluable experience, because I took that with me even after I left nursing, into the way I cared for my mom to her very last stage. For those who are aspiring to be nurses in the future, I would advise you to even really count the costs, and know that this is not just a profession where you go in and do the job and come out. It takes a lot of heart. It takes a lot of perseverance, and mostly it takes a lot of professionalism in order to, go through nursing. And I would say take it with a pinch of salt, because it is going to impact your lives forever. And it has, of course, definitely impacted mine. And I have never regretted my decision to join nursing, because it has changed my life. The way I think, the way I view people, the way I see things, because it's an eye-opening experience for anybody who dares to go into nursing.